Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see the details of CIMA. Details in the sense we will be discussing about eligibility, duration, levels, syllabus, fees, exams, etc. CIMA stands for Chartered Institute of Management Accountants. It's a UK-based professional body offering training and qualification in the field of management and accounting. First of all, let's see what is CIMA. Chartered Institute of Management Accountants. It's a UK-based professional body offering training and qualification in management and accountancy-related subjects. It is focused on accountants working in industry and provides ongoing support and training for members. CIMA was formed in 1919. So it is one of the oldest accounting body, providing professional courses in the field of accounting. It was formerly known as ICWA. Now let's see why should we do CIMA. If you are a normal qualified accountant, what happens? You will be eligible for analyzing and preparing reports and estimates of different financial accounts. But if you are a CIMA qualified, you will be able to do all the management and accounting related activities. So you will be developing analytical skill and strategical skill. You will be able to handle different department activities like HR, marketing, all that. And also you will be eligible for taking up jobs within and outside the financial sphere. So there is equal emphasis on management and accounting. So the CIMA qualified people will be eligible for taking up the jobs in the field of corporate finance, financial reporting, financial analysis, business analysis, project finance, treasury management, and much more. And also you will be eligible for working in more than 177 countries. Now let's see who is eligible to do CIMA. If you are a 10th passed, 12th passed, graduate, postgraduate or professionally qualified, all of you are eligible for doing CIMA. Based on your qualification, you will be admitted to different levels. There are certain exams are exempted based on your qualification. Now let's see the course structure. There are 4 levels in CIMA. First one is certificate level, second one is operational level, management level, and the fourth one is strategic level. Let's see the exams in each level. First level, certificate in business accounting level. Here we have 4 objective type exams. After the completion of this exam, you will be awarded with certificate in business accounting. Second one is operational level. Here we have 4 exams in total, 3 objective type exams and 1 case study. After the completion of this level, you will be given diploma in management accounting. Come to the third level, management level. Here there are 4 exams, 3 objective type and 1 case study. After the completion of this particular level, you will be given diploma in advanced management accounting. The last level is strategic level. Here number of exams are 4, 3 objective type and 1 case study. So in total there are 16 exams. Out of that 13 will be objective type and 3 exams will be case study. So these 13 objective type exams you can take it online. So the results will be announced within 48 hours. But say case study, it may take 6 weeks time for announcing the result. Now let's see the eligibility criteria for each level. If you are a undergraduate or graduate with a non-commerce background, you will be entered into certificate level. You have 16 exams to clear, no exemptions. If you are a graduate with a commerce background, you will be entered into the operational level. You will have 12 exams to clear. 4 exams will be exempted. If you are a postgraduate with commerce background, you will be having a management gateway entry. That means it's an accelerator entry route to the CIMA. So you will have 5 exams and exempted from 11 exams. If you are a professionally qualified, that means CMA or CA qualified, you can directly enter into the strategic level and you will have only just 1 exams, and you will be exempted from all other exams. Now let's see the frequency and duration of exams. The objective type exams, total 13 objective type exams are they conducted online, that you can book at any time. It's conducted every day, so you can book in advance and you can take up the this particular exam online. Result will be announced within 48 hours. There will be at the level 1, there will be 120 minutes will be given, and at level 2, 3 and 4 there will be 90 minutes exam. For the case study, there are 3 exams as I said. Frequency, every 3 months it will be conducted, and result will be announced within 6 weeks. For the duration of case study is 3 hours. I hope this video was useful for all of you. I tried my level best to cover all the details of CIMA course here, but it is very wide topic. So what I am going to do, I share the link of the official website here. When you have any doubt, you can check it in the official website regarding the exemptions, or as you all know, there is a 3 years professional work experience is required for getting the certificate. So what all the requirements, experience details and all will be mentioned in it, so that all you have to check it in the website. So if you have any doubts other than this, or any other doubts if you have, you can ask in the chat box, that means in the comment box. Okay, we'll see you very soon with another video. Thank you so much. Bye.